Are you searching for the best aquarium cleaners? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best aquarium cleaners in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Sunsun HXS02 Electric Aquarium Automatic Fish Tank Cleaner. Product name: Electric Aquarium Automatic Water Changer Gravel Cleaner Sludge Extractor Sand Washer Filter Pump for Fish Tank Vacuum Cleaner, 3-in-1 Cleaner. With its intelligent 3-in-1 design, this automatic gravel cleaner combines the gravel cleaner, water changer and waste remover system for quick and easy cleaning with no siphoning or annoying mess to clean up. The powerful pump sucks the dirty water from the bottom via the suction nozzle into the sponge filter element. The dirt particles are reliably caught and removed from the water. Main features: 3-in-1 unit for quick cleanups or complete aquarium maintenance. Sponge filter traps debris while remaining easy to clean, decreases the buildup of harmful toxins in your aquarium while reducing strain on your filter, easily removes particles from topmost layer of substrate without disturbing the bottom layer of gravel, equipped with flow adjustment valve to adjust the water flow rate.